In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gohighlevel SaaS Mode. Before we begin, there's one important requirement to understand. SaaS Mode is only available if your account is upgraded to the Pro plan, which is priced at $497 per month. Along with that, you'll also need to enable the SaaS feature and connect your Stripe account so you can handle billing properly. This is the foundation for everything else, so make sure that part is already in place before moving forward. Once that's ready, head over to Gohighlevel. From there, log into your account and make sure you are entering the agency view. This is important because the settings needed for SaaS Mode are managed at the agency level, not inside an individual sub-account. If you don't see the correct options right away, double check that you're in the right view before continuing. After you're inside the agency view, look to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section is where you'll manage the core configuration for your agency account, including white label and SaaS-related features. Next, on the left side menu, click on Company. This will take you into the company settings area, where several branding and account level options are located. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the correct section, since the next setting is nested inside this page. At the top menu, within the company section, click on White Label. This is the area where Gohighlevel places the tools related to branding your platform and unlocking advanced agency functionality. If your account has already been upgraded to the Pro plan, this is where the SaaS Mode option becomes visible. Once you're in the White Label tab, check for the option labeled Enable SaaS Mode. If you see it, that confirms your account is on the correct plan and is eligible for SaaS setup. This is the key setting that allows you to begin using Gohighlevel in SaaS mode. If you do not see the option, the most likely reason is that the account has not yet been upgraded to the Pro plan, or the required setup like Stripe connection has not been completed. In that case, go back and verify those prerequisites first. And that's the setup path to access SaaS mode in Gohighlevel. Once you've reached the Enable SaaS Mode option, you're in the right place to continue configuring your SaaS offering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.